Hello there, math leads. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. There is another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percents. So, before solving this question, I would like to talk about the importance of the playlist section in our channel. I strongly suggest you to go on the playlist section, and pick a topic. I'm trying to create math topics differently for you guys to practice, to excel, whichever the area of mathematics that you need to improve your skills. So I strongly suggest you to go and find the even for this topic there will be a percents playlists in our channel where you can find a lot of similar this type of questions, where you can pause the videos and check for your solutions. You can give it a solution, give it a try, and you can just check your solutions. So that's being said, let's dive into this problem. There are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers is S is 5% less than sum of the other two numbers. If sum of the three numbers is 117, what is the value of S? So there are three numbers we're talking about. The first one is, let's say, S. The other one is, let's call it A and B. SAB plus A plus A plus B is equals to 117. There is also another information given. So 5% less than something. So that means if the one whole thing is in a percentages topic, is a one whole. If you're talking about 5 less than, so you will need to take away 0.5 from 1. That's going to give you 0.95. So this means that S will be equal to 0.95 A plus B. So when you multiply A plus B by 0.95, this is what you get. Okay? So we will distribute here to see the answer. So I'm going to distribute in here 0.95 in the parentheses, 0.95 A plus 0.95 B is equals to S. So we will go ahead and type the value, substitute this value in here. So this is what we found for the S, and for this S in the first equation, we're going to write 0.95 A plus 0.95 B plus A plus B is equal to 117. So we will combine the like terms. A's are common, and also we have B's common here. Let me double underline 3 times B's. So 0.95 plus A is going to give us 1.95 A plus 1.95 B as well is equal to 117. So if you will take away 1.95 parentheses, because it's common in both of them, that will be 117. So in your SAT exam, to get the value of A plus B, you will need to divide both sides by 1.95. And during the SAT, you are allowed to use your calculators. If you will do this operation, A plus B will be equal to 60. So if A plus B is 60, we will need to go ahead and substitute that value in here. So we will just take away that. So when we do that, so these cancel each other out. We just end up with S on the left side. If you will take away 60 from 117, you will get 57. So the right choice for this specific question is the choice B, will be the answer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.